Hey guys, I'm super excited because today I'm going to share with you some Season 5 Shopkins, a 5-pack and a 20-pack of Shopkins. And we're gonna take them all and we're gonna start putting them in our glitzy collector's case. So let's not wait one more second. Let's start with the 5-pack. Look, it comes with a little charm bracelet with 36 charms to collect. Oh my gosh, the little Petkins backpacks, that's so cute. Let's take a look at the categories for this season. Wow, we have the sport category and garden again. Music, homewares, the bakery, and on the back, we have sweet treats, the charms, of course, that go with the new cutesy charm bracelets. Tech, oh my gosh, Clicky Mouse, oh my gosh, it looks so cute. And of course, the limited edition Shopkins, I'm so excited, I hope we find one. Here is the charm bracelet that it comes with, and it comes with one little charm. And this charm is a little lipstick. Let's see if we can find the name of this charm, Lippy Lips. That is our first charm. Let's go ahead and put it on our bracelet and wear our bracelet. So we've got on the new charm bracelet with little Lippy Lips as our first charm. Who do we have here? It looks like a little tambourine. It's little Tammy Tamborine, and she is a common Season 5 Shopkins. Woohoo! Let's put her up on our shelf, our first Season 5 Shopkins. And the next one, oh my goodness, this little yellow polka dot. Looks like a little Kleenex box. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's figure it out. It is. It's tiny tissues. Oh my goodness, so tiny. Ooh, looks like a little birthday cake. Look at this one. I've never seen them with these bigger lips. Oh my gosh, it's got little sprinkles all over it. Looks yummy. This one is Sprinkly Cake. How fitting because of all her little sprinkles. Yay! And the last one in our 5-pack, Brittney Brownie. Super cute. Now let's open our first surprise Shopkins Season 5 backpack. Oh, it's a roller skate. Or it's a roller blade. This has got to be in the sports section, and it is Lola Roller Blade, and she is a rare. Now let's open our Season 5 Mega Pack and see who we have inside here. Oh my gosh, I can already see another Tiny Tissues and a Katie Skateboard. Here's another Tiny Tissues, our first duplicate, and little Katie Skateboard. Oh, it's a little puppy dog with a tail. Puppy dog skateboard. The first one out of our 20-pack is a rare Bailey baseball glove. Oh, it's super cute. I love the coloring, the purple and blue ombre. All the little details of the stitching of the gloves and everything. Yay! And Mel T Moment. This one is a common and it looks like a little macaroon. What do you guys think? I'm not really sure if it could be a macaroon if it's Mel T Moment, although maybe macaroons melt in your mouth. But it's super cute and looks delicious. And we have another rare poly piano. Wow. Look at all the detail in her little feet and the piano keys and the music. And look at the back. Wow, there's so much detail in this and it's so cute. I love the piano. And next we have microphone. This is super cute. It even looks like he's singing, and look, it's got the buttons. Oh my goodness. Ah, la 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 la. And then we have Veronica Vase. Oh, little petkin. Little petkin vase. Little roses, it looks like, in the vase. And the little tail for the petkins. Super cute. Veronica Vase. Then we have the other Brittney Brownie. We already got the Brittney Brownie in pink and yellow, and now we have brown and this ombre pink and blue. Oh my goodness. So much detail in season 5. They are super cute. Great job, Mousse Toys. Then we have Tasty Toast, who looks like a little rabbit. Oh, looks like a little sandwich rabbit. Maybe some tomato right here. Yummy. Yummy. And then another charm. This one's name is Spilt Milk. Super cute little charm. And another charm. This one's name is Strawberry Kiss. Look at all the detail. You can see where the seeds are. Strawberry Kiss. And next we have Chocky Croissant. Look at that chocolate on top. Yummy. And then we have Creamy Cookie Cupcake, who is a rare. Oh my gosh. Look at this yummy cookie and all the frosting, and it looks like there's some sprinkles. And look, it looks like she's even holding a cookie. Aw, super cute. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we have Penny Wishing Well. She is so cute. This one, I think, is my current favorite. Look, you can see the grooves in the brick and even the shingles on the roof. Super cute. And next we have Peta Planter. She is a little planter for flowers. Ooh, these flowers are so pretty. Look at all the detail in this. Oh, it looks like she's holding an umbrella. That's super cute. And look at the back. Wow. Toot-toot. And next we have a Woody garden chair. This one is super cute. I'd love to have this chair in my garden. And it looks like there's a little bird right here on top of the garden chair, and I love the heart. Aw. This one is super cute. Then we have Max Saxophone. Oh, wow. Look at the detail in this. This is so great. The detail is amazing. And then we have Mandy Mousse. Look Little Mandy Mousse. I love the mousse ears. Oh my gosh, her little face. I love this. So much detail and super cute. And look, it looks like she even has little sprinkles in the mousse. So now it's time to open our surprise Petkins backpacks. We have 2 light green puppy backpacks and 2 pink kitty backpacks. Let's start with the puppy backpack. I wonder who's inside. And it looks like another charm. Oh my gosh, this one's translucent. It's translucent little apple blossom. Oh, that's a super cute charm. Yay! And then we'll open the little kitty surprise backpack. See what we have inside here. And another charm. This one is Polly Polish. Little nail polish. Cute. So here are all the Shopkins we've collected today, and we only got 1 duplicate. I'm super excited to open up more, so stay tuned for more Shopkins Season 5. Bye! Today we're gonna open a big green sparkly surprise egg full of Shopkins and these 2 little chick surprise eggs that have Shopkins in them as well. So let's go ahead and get these puppies open.